Hey boos, and today we are diving into the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera Palette. I really loved this look that I came up with. I feel like it's totally like even darker than like sunset, sun almost completely setting maybe. I love the color selection in this palette. Mine is obviously used now. If you want to see my review, some swatches, and I will show you how I got this look, and also taking a look at the new Dewy set spray, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have a huge new box of makeup. Thought I almost showed you my dress. I got a bunch of things, not everything I'm going to be trying in today's video, but I got the brand new Morphe Jeffree Star sponges. I used it for my face. I love it. It's the same as the regular Morphe sponge, but just pink, and I love it. I got the new Morphe bronzer, but I didn't use that today for some reason. But specifically today, I got the whole, minus the highlighters, Anastasia Beverly Hills new set. So today we're going to be trying out the Dewy Set setting spray and the brand new Riviera palette. I'm so excited to dive into this. I haven't had an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in forever. And I also... how everything goes. I just realized as I was turning on the camera that I didn't use this, and I already did my brows. This is the new Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, and I got it in my normal color, soft brown. I'm not even gonna lie, I've already used this twice, and I'm not the biggest fan. I think I might return it. I thought it was gonna be something where it was like for the summer, you know, like,
oh, you wanna go out on the boardwalk real quick? Okay, let me just throw this on.
No. No. I think this is for if you want to top off after you fill in your brows, but then again, I don't want my brows to look darker. Or if you have a lot of brow hair, I think this would work great. And I mean, I have like a decent amount, but not like big fluffy ones. And if you really are like dead set on using this, I think you will have to use an angled brush 100%, because whenever I put it on, it's literally just like if you use a clear brow gel, obviously, but it has, you know, it's brown. So just imagine all the places you get this clear stuff at, this is there. So there was like splotches like in my front of my eyebrows, and I was not feeling it, but I will swatch it for you guys today. I'm so sorry. I meant to use this today, but I guess I'm just a fucking idiot. So there's that. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try out the Dewy Set spray. It is gorgeous. I love the packaging. It's absolutely to die for with the glitter and the white accents. The one thing is that this doesn't have glitter on it. It is just the packaging. And then look at the spray on this. And I was kind of freaked out because I'm not like too keen on like coconut scents, but this one doesn't smell bad. Like if it's too strong, I'm just like, ooh, no thanks. But this one smells good. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this on my face to lock in my base that I've put on before. And let's... Feels really nice. Whip this bad boy out real quick. This is great too. If you really want fan dry your face, just get one of these off of Amazon. I think I really like this. I don't think that you need it, but I think I like the scent. Yeah, I like the scent. I like the way it feels. I like the mister on it. It's very fine. But will you die without it? No. Is the Morphe setting spray just as good? Yeah, because this was $26, and what is this, like 12 or something? That's the only thing that got me a little bit, but I think it is at like $1 less than the MAC Fix Plus, and Anastasia Beverly Hills is cruelty free. So would I say do this over the Max Fix Plus? Yes. Ulta is having their big 21 days of sale, and they just had the Max Fix Plus on sale. So I did grab 2 of them, but after that I really do think I won't be purchasing from MAC anymore. I've never been a big MAC person, and I just bought a Painterly paint pot, and those are the only things I've ever owned from MAC. But after that I think I am pretty much done, because there are so many good brands out there that have cruelty free and vegan items just like this. It's the same exact thing, and it's cruelty free. So I'm not trying to come for MAC, you know, but we just need to do better, guys. But yes, this is vegan and cruelty free. It is less than the Max Fix Plus. So if you're thinking, oh, which one should I get? Go this route. I mean, unless you really hate the scent of coconut. Before we get into the eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the Dip Brow. I really don't know. I'm kind of torn because like I wanted to love it. Here's what it looks like. And I got mine in soft brown. I don't know if it's not for me or what. And here's the little spoolie on it. A+ for packaging, A+ for the spoolie end. It's really nice, but I mean, it just didn't work out for me. But here's what it looks like swatched. That's what the soft brown looks like. And as you can see, whenever I was like doing my eyebrows, you know, when you go to the front to brush it up, it'll like do that. So it'll be like nice and fine through here, and then you have this big glob right in the front. And I tried it out 2 days in a row, but I definitely prefer my brow definer over that. I don't even really like the Brow Wiz, honestly. Yeah, I just don't know if this was for me, which I'm kind of sad about, but if you guys want to try it out, you know, go ahead. Brand new, and I'm sorry I didn't get to use it on my eyebrows. So now... Oh my god. The Riviera Palette, yes. I don't know about you guys, but this, when I saw this, it made me feel something in my chest that I haven't felt in a long time with makeup, besides like the James Charles palette or anything like that. But I don't even know if it's the palette itself. I mean, it is, but it's just like this color scheme. It just made me so ready for summer. Let's see what this palette is described as. It said set sail. Oh, with 14 all-new paradise-inspired mattes and metallics, from vibrant jewel tones to bright pops of color. Let's unbox this bad boy. And here it is. Here's the back. Let's open this up. Ooh. Yeah, this is a really pretty color story. And they always have a good brush that comes with it too. I really like that. And it comes with a nice big mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys swatches of these. So I'll be right back. Sails, Yacht, Seychelles, Palmero, Seaside, Inheritance, Mediterranean. Estate, Cabana, Coastline, Bahamas, Monte Carlo, Canes, and Palm. Okay guys, so I turned the lights up a little bit too. I think they may have been a little too dim. Now I'm blinded, so like I know it's good. I don't want to do any neutrals because I know everybody's over the neutrals. I really love this blue right here. But I just did a look like that with the I Love Sarahi palette. I think I'm going to stick to, is what I'm really drawn to is like Bahamas, Monte Carlo, Canes, and maybe Mediterranean or Seaside. But I think I have a look in mind, and I'm going to try out these colors because I mean these colors really do put the palette to the test. Like, are these good? Because these are the hard colors to formulate and to put onto your eyes, and if they go onto your eyes good, then it is a good palette. Anyone can do a brown. I'm going to start off with Monte Carlo, and I'm going to buff that into my crease as my transition shade. And shout out to my babe because he just got one of his dream cars, which is a Monte Carlo, and I'm so happy and so proud of him. So shout out to you, babe, I love you. But I'm going to go ahead and take this light pink shade and buff that into my crease on a M441 brush. So that color worked out really nice. It blended out really pretty. There's no splotches or anything. Yeah, it went on really nice. Now I'm going to take this M456 brush. It's a real skinny brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the Bahamas, the hot pink shade, and I'm going to put that on and then put on Canes and then the glitter shade. Go ahead and buff a little bit of this on in the crease. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and laid it down first. I haven't even blended out yet, and it already looks so good because of the transition shade. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out lightly. And then going back in with Monte Carlo and blending that all out again. I'm going to take another M456 and I'm going to go into Cane's, which is the beautiful purple shade right here. And I'm going to put that as like almost like a liner kind of just right here on my crease and blend it downwards because I don't want it going up. And when I'm going to cut my crease, it's going to be like a little line of purple. Okay, now that I have that purple on, I know it looks a little weird right now, but I do want it to be a blunt line. I'm gonna go ahead and carve my lid out with concealer. Okay guys, and as what I did is I went ahead and carved out my lid, then I went back in with the Cane's color, the purple one, and reinforced it and blended it up. This is when you want to blend it up now because you're not always gonna have that harsh line. But I'm pretty happy with this. Wow, I'm kind of good. Honestly, you could just leave it like this and it would look good. I'm gonna try out this Mediterranean color. So now we're gonna add that, and I'm just gonna take the same brush I used to carve out my lids, get some of that color on there. Shimmers are so nice and
creamy.
And I'm gonna go ahead and mist it with the Dewy Set Spray. Now that we have the blue shade on, I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce that purple shade one more time. Now is what we're gonna do. Add a little bit of Bahamas under the eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some lashes and some liner, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and added on my lashes and a little bit of winged liner. These are the Lily Lashes in Miami. My liner is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I added a nude lip, of course, because I didn't want to overdo it. I put on the I Love Sarahi and ColourPop collab in the lip pencil Curvy. And ironically enough, I didn't even plan this. I used one of my Anastasia lipsticks in the shade Stripped. Yeah, so I really love how everything turned out, and here's the finished look. Okay, boos, and that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating this look today. It was something super out of the box. I definitely, didn't want to go with the neutral shades or anything like that, but this palette is beautiful. Now, my only issue I had was with that I looked close up to my face and I had fallout right down here from the blue, and that wiped away really easily, but I wasn't expecting fallout, so I didn't put any bake underneath my eyes, but nothing extreme. And I still enjoyed the palette a lot. I thought maybe I wasn't gonna like it because, I mean, honestly, we all already have the James Charles palette, and in there we literally have any color we've ever need. But these are just super blendable, super pretty. It's a really pretty color story, and you can get any type of look out of here, whether you want just some browns and some golds, or if you want pinks, purples, even some blues. It has a lot of uses. It's very multi-use. And this spray, I loved it. Now I don't know how much of the dewy. Yeah, I guess my skin looks dewier. So I mean, yeah, the dewy part check. The smell is good. It's not overbearing. But do I recommend this? Yes. Are there so many other setting sprays on the market that are cheaper? Yes. One thing I would recommend this over if you are looking for a, like I said, a vegan, cruelty-free version of the MAC Fix Plus. Yes. Go with this over that. Like I said, I still like MAC. I just can't, keep giving my money to a brand that in today's day and age we have so many options and they're still testing on animals. I think that is horrible. I love my animals, my two chinchillas and my dog. They're my babies, as you can hear them. And not to be dramatic, but I would never want them to be tested on, and they're using animals just like my babies. So I gotta give it up to Anastasia on this one. I haven't used their products in a while besides just brow products and lipsticks here and there, but this is definitely a plus from me. Super beautiful color story, and this spray is really nice. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're gonna get this palette. I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!